Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda. I have another unboxing for you guys. Today I'm actually going to be unboxing 17's fourth album, Repackage Sector 17. Surprisingly, I haven't done a 17 unboxing video with you guys on my channel. My package finally came in from Weverse. I think because of the typo that they had on one of the carrot inclusions, that I think that's why it took a little bit longer than usual to ship out. But I got my big Weverse package here. I'm ready to open it. I actually ended up buying the album the day that it came out. So I got one on Monday, or I got a set on Monday, and I got the kit version because I couldn't wait for my Weverse one. But I'm going to unbox this with the Weverse Pobs and everything else that is included with it. First, here are the albums. I like that they're a lot smaller. I like that there's only 2 versions of it in comparison to Face the Sun, where there is literally 5 versions. But here are the 2 versions. This one is New Beginning and this one's New Heights. And then here are the posters. I will open those later. Here are the pre-order benefits. I have this like photo frame thingy. I see DK back here. This is the photo frame. You can put a PC in there and you like pop open the thing and it stands up. I have, ooh. Wow, I don't know what any of these are, but DK, I got his PC and the lenticular, which is the same picture. And then I also got Hoshi's sets, and I got Mingyu sets. And then here's the carrot card thing that had a typo. It originally had 3 E's in teen, but they just they fixed it. I see Mingyu, and I think I also got Minghao. Yes, I got Mingyu and Minghao for these Pobs. Super cute, wow. So those are the, I guess, the pre-order benefits. So I'm gonna start with New Beginning. This is the like super colorful theme. I really want, oh my god, I just hit myself. I really want June's PCs for these because I think they're so pretty. Here's what the front of the album looks like, and it's kind of just a little box covering, and you just pop it open like this. On top I see, ooh, I got Dino's film strip thing. Nice. I don't have that one yet, so amazing. I see, oh, I see a June, yay! As I literally just asked for it. Amazing. I got Sungkwan's sticker. Here's the carrot inclusion. That's what that looks like. And I got Hoshi. Wow. Do I have this one? No, I don't think I do. Wow, those were some great pulls, I just have to say. So this is what the CD comes in, just this little envelope. And then there's the lyric book right here. It just looks like that on the inside. And then here is the photo book, which is very pretty and very colorful. Here's Hoshi, Stunner. Let's see, where's June? June would be right before him. Amazing. Wow. The colors in this are just so beautiful. Wow. I love this one. Wow, I am so happy with those pulls. I also don't think I have any dupes of any of the cards yet. I mean, I only have one other set of this album, so I mean, I'm happy about that, but also I feel like it is very possible to just get hella dupes. Okay, so I'm gonna do New Heights now. Okay, let's see. Ooh, Mingyu, I think I have this one. Love it. I was just talking about dupes, so you know. And Minghao. Double Minghao. And I got Sungkwan photo strip, film strip thing. So if you can like see, this one has the typo. So this one has 3 E's and then this one has 2. I guess why it was included, or like why it took so long. Here is the New Heights book. I will show you Hoshi's page, of course. June with his frosted eyebrows. Ooh, Joshua looks really nice in this. Amazing. Okay, wow, I'm so happy with these pulls. So I'm doing lucky draws this weekend with Allison. On Saturday we have a high reservation, so I'm gonna get another set then. And I'm also going on Sunday to lucky draws at M2U and Soundwave, so hopefully I'll be able to trade and such, and you know, get like the other cards that I'm trying to collect. I'm currently trying to collect Hoshi and June and maybe some S-Scoops. I'm not sure yet if I'm completely dedicated to collecting Songjuls. Obviously my main priority is Hoshi and then June. So here's the first poster. This is the New Heights poster. Mine got a little bit dented from the tube. And then here is the New Beginnings poster. So here's my PC book for this comeback. I'm going to be doing trading with this one. I pulled this Junghan from New Beginnings. I pulled this, okay, this Joshua's from the Kino. I have this Mingyu dupe. This one is from the Compacts. I have this Dino from New Beginnings. This one's from the Compacts. So I'm keeping all of my like ones that I'm mainly collecting in here. So for Hoshi, so I have this Hoshi from New Heights. Yeah, so that was the only one that I actually pulled from New Heights. Everything else that I have in here are from compact version. Now I have 2 for Hoshi, 1 for June, and yeah, so like that's really exciting. I'm so happy about that. Comment down below if you guys purchased the Weverse Sector 17 sets. I really love 17. I honestly think that they're my top group right now. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm probably gonna make a TikTok about my lucky draw experience this weekend, so if you want to check that out, follow my TikTok, follow all my socials. I'll be posting about it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.